So, you probably clicked on this video because you have a YouTube channel or you're just starting one. Well, my YouTube channel isn't much different, so I'm going to be giving you my best tips and tricks to start off your YouTube channel. Also, before we continue, shout out to Hypersonic_92 and Unstoppable 1006. If you want to be shouted out, all you need to do is subscribe. And hey, it might also help out your YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I like to make short and easy videos to follow. So we're just gonna start off on how I started my YouTube channel. I knew nothing about starting one, so I would just make rushed and unedited videos and hoped people liked them. But on YouTube, you're not gonna make good content by making them all random and little to no effort. Have an idea for what your content will be about. Maybe have a topic and hobbies you like to do. For example, gaming. If you want to do gaming on your channel, stick to it. Now, I struggled a lot with finding a topic for my YouTube channel, and maybe you guys too. So maybe you should make another channel separate to the content you're doing on your main channel.
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play.
On your main channel, you could do gaming, and then on another channel, you could do something, for example, cooking. Also, you might be thinking, oh, I need to spend a lot of money on fancy equipment to make my videos amazing. But the real answer is, no, you don't need to buy stuff like that. Instead, you should buy cheap items on Amazon, such as a tripod or lights to make your video quality even better. Trust me, better quality videos mean more people to watch them. After a while, when you think people like your content, you could then upgrade your equipment. You can also start off without editing your videos and make YouTube shorts with your phone. If you don't know what a YouTube short is, it's basically just a 60-second video as big as your phone screen. They are an amazing way to help your YouTube channel grow, such as how I made my SpongeBob Popsicle videos and cooking clips. Speaking of SpongeBob Popsicles, trends. Trends are an amazing way to get your YouTube channel going. If you don't know what I mean, I recommend making videos based around popular things. Popular things could be something another YouTuber is doing, but not copying exactly what they're doing. Stuff like Squid Game was popular when it first came out, and everyone would talk about it. Those fans would usually search related things on YouTube. Have a look at these videos I made. I mean, if that's not enough proof these videos do well, I don't know what is. So you have all the basics down and you're starting to grow your channel a bit, and you want to get more serious about YouTube. Well, this is where making scripts and video editing could really help your videos catch the eyes of people. I use Adobe Elements, which is not the most popular software out there, but it does get the work done. But it is unfortunately a paid software, so if you want to do it for free, I recommend using DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut. Both of these softwares are actually very professional and super easy to use. Now that you have all this information, you think you're ready, right? Well, yes, these are the basics, but what if your channel started to die off? This could happen literally at any moment. One video that your fans liked once, but as soon as you make a video that's a little different to that video, boom, gone, no more watch time. So be careful with your choices with videos for your YouTube channel. Always make sure your viewers want different content and know it. Read your comments of your videos to get a better look on what people like and don't like. Another thing to watch out for are long breaks in between your uploads. I struggled with this too. Trying to get a perfect upload schedule for your video uploading so people won't just leave and unsubscribe was hard for me. People don't like when you leave your channel for a while, and if you don't tell them you're leaving for a break, then stuff will happen. Finally, you should be ready to get your first 100, maybe even 1,000 subscribers in no time with these tricks. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and comment down below if you like this type of content. It really helps me figure out what you guys like. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.